Welcome. By the end of this video, you'll be able to turn up the volume with this hidden setting on your iPhone. Let's get started. So by doing this, you're going to be able to make your iPhone louder than the maximum setting you may have experienced in the past. When you turn your iPhone up to the maximum volume, it's still not quite loud enough for what you would like. So I'm going to help you with that right now. So once you have your iPhone open, you're going to want to click on Settings. And once you've clicked on Settings, you're going to go ahead and scroll the whole way down to where you find Music. And so you're going to click on Music. Now this is going to affect all audio that comes from your iPhone, whether it comes from your speakers on your iPhone, or if you want it to come from your headphones if you're wearing those. So once you have Music open, you want to click on EQ. So you see the audio function there. You're going to click on EQ. And right now it's turned off. So you can see there's plenty of presets here, and each one of these is going to change the audio of your phone. So depending on what kind of music you're listening to. So what I found is the loudest setting is actually the one that's called Late Night. So you can see I've selected Late Night there. So once you've selected that, you want to turn your volume up the whole way, and you're going to notice that it has gotten louder from the last time you've listened to it. So hopefully you were able to hear the difference between the two recordings. One thing that I noticed is that when you're using the EQ feature, you want to make sure that the music is not playing. It might work for you just fine, but I noticed a couple times it didn't quite work the way I wanted it to whenever I had the music playing. So you go ahead and make sure that you go and pause the music and then change the EQ so that it functions the way you want it to function. Another thing you want to make sure is that you have your iOS updated to the newest version, so make sure that that's there as well, so that you can gain access to the EQ feature. I tested this out with my speakers and my Airpods, and it seemed to work great with both, and it worked with all of the different apps that I was working with, so Spotify, Apple Music, even when I was just watching any content online, like on YouTube. So it worked fine for me. You may have also noticed that there are other settings with EQ, and so you can play around with those to see what works best for you. I'd love to hear if this worked for you. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you have any questions, I'll try my best to answer those. I have other music software tutorials available on this channel. I'll put links to them around this video. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. I thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.